It's timeout. Number 15. Intaman, drive, Davido, lumayan na, wala silang depensa. Yan ang championship day, napakaganda po na nawa. Number 15, 8, 5, Still, number 15. Still again. Number 24. Out. Number 26. Give up. Out. Number 15. Number 14, crossover. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. King of 5. Crossover. Yeah. Yellow, Igambal, Bazzaramel, 8, oh, gatas.
Bola, bola!
Number 26. Oh, 8.8 by James Arantino. Number 24. Drive, layup. Number 15.
Happy birthday!
The birthday boy. 24. That's seconds. Oh, Well, so that may be number 1. Oh! Ano pala si ano? Dani. Bawal. Kick. Number 11. Second attempt. Third attempt. Foul number 1. Blocking foul. Wala po ang gano'n yan ako. Penalty.
Isa lang.
Second attempt. Official score, 7-9 in favor of Team Sarangillo. Number 25. Number 3, kapas na number 40. Na number 3, Team Steve. Number 25. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 4, out the ball. Alas by number 1. A little pick by number 0. Number 4. Little shot up. Di ba ba number 25? Oh, there's a foul. Number 25, foul. Second attempt. Ang laki na po na malalaman. 21-9 in favor of Team Sarangillo. Number 3. The number 48. 10 seconds. On the second. Oh, Number 25. Drop pass to number 1. Ayan na po. Simple. 15 seconds. Number 11. Increase. Not share na lang. Number 1. Oh, ganda! Setting for three. Out. Number 11. Five increase. Drop pass. So number 11, layup, out, follow, up, number 14, Santa number 13, Papa number 13.
PBA pa mga ano. Referee. Budget.
Last 1 minute and 28 seconds. Score is 29-11 in favor of Team Sarangillo. Okay, back to the ball game. It's a battle between Team Versatile versus Team Sarangillo. After po ng championship game natin, mawagi na po tayo. Congratulations nga pala sa 3-point shootout. Number 3. 10 seconds. No points. Number 25. 5 seconds. Last 50 seconds.
No, no, no.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. Number 14, 3-point shot. 3 points. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Penalty. Last 1:45. And that's the first quarter.
And the first quarter. Score is 29-17 in favor of Yellow Team.
It's the white ball. Start of the second quarter. Number 28. On 34. Number 22, pushing ball, tama ba? Okay. Number 34. Carry the girl out. Pasok by the girl, man. 10 seconds. Out again. Nice pass out. Tanda-tanda mga kaibigan, tulong-tulong muna dito sa Astuto. Abang-abang pa rin yan. Number 48, King Kampan. Ayan naman po, crossover. Para sa number 22. Second position ng ball, 17 ball. 2-4-2 by King Kampan from Team Samangilio. Second step from the King Kampan. King Kampan from Team Samangilio. Number 24. Setting a play. Tinira na! Wala! Di ba wala ng 25? Tugot na yun! Aling-tapik by Paul Berman. 3 points siya. Ayaw na pala. Number 48. Sakya. Check na daw. Paano? Wala. Number 24. Blocking foul by number 25. 29. First personal foul. First team foul. Oh yes. Oh no. Number 24. Number 15. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ang ganda ng foul. Tuming kampak, ayan na. Marami na. Moving ball. Number 15. Cycle. First personal foul, second team foul. Ang ganda ng pasa. Take away. First personal foul, number 26, 17 foul. 13 foul. Ang sa score, 26-16 in favor of Team Sarangillo. 20-point lead. Number 14. 10 seconds. Triple shot. Out. Ayan na po. Napakagap ng katawan nito. Yan lang. Ayan po. Number 25, grab pass. Tumasi na kaya. Out. Yellow. Last touch by number 30. Oh! Kumaray, tinira, wala. Number 3. So number 40. Oh, still. Number 4, crossover. Tapos may number 40. Ganda ng pasa. Nakasibyan na ng laro. Mulong pwede pagkastuhan lang. Open perimeter. Basket. Number 3. And number 1. Out. Iba na lang na number 4. Uncheck foul. First personal foul, 13 foul. Now number 29 to number 4. Receive. 3-point shot. Number 14. To number 1. Pushing foul by Tagadagas. Zero. First personal foul, 13 fouls. Number 3. Number 25. Speed. Kick. Number 23, Michael Jordan. First personal foul, number 23. Penalty. Number 25 on in-personal first attempt basket. Last 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Number 23, number 4. Tomas Vickis. Still. Save. Number 11, terapas ko number 23. Skate, ang ganda ng pasahan. Black, number 25. Nakangiti na po siya, ang ganda na ng bola. Walang banta, di na sa number 1. Basket. Pwede na lang po ang alaman. Number 11. Sa number 4. Ang ganda ng pasa! Susikat ka saan? Number 25, 3 points. Lakas. Anak ko, bigyan sa kanila. On 40. Number 25, a little pick by Number 25, ang ganda. Ayan na po, tatrabaho na number 4. Basket. Grabe. Number 1. By number 13. Second personal foul, penalty. There's a 10. Ayaw. Last 1 minute and 49 seconds. Score is 14-19. 20-point lead. Number 4. Foul by Jose Romero. A toxic foul by number 14 from team personnel. Second personal foul. Body for penalty. Number 11. Out. Number 13. The number 3. 3-point shot. Tapos, kaya na po, nagtabaho na naman po siya. Sumabay yung iba. Power number 14. Second personal foul. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty. Pinabati ka nga pala, lahat na mga nanonood dito. Siya nakakalik sa ringa. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Namamas ko po. Number 25. Natin, sila na naman, by Martin Chris. Number 11. Tumunod po, nagsarili. Okay, so 1-4. Last 45 seconds. Number 25. Alik sa pick number 40. Ball. 8. Drop pass. So number 48. Iko dyan. Ayaw talaga. Out of bounds. Single. 14 seconds to shoot. Last 28 seconds. Number 3. Ayaw talaga. Number 4. Ayan na. Tabung. Basket. Single. Last 12 seconds. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw na makabutas. Di makabutas. Number 24. Ayaw pa rin. Still by number 14. Down the ball. Drive. Basket. Basket. Number 4. For the birthday boy. Jersey number 50. Dave. Number 25. Number 34. Five. Basket. Nakakabot basket. King Papan. Bang, 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 bang. Hey, 5 seconds to shoot. Out. Number 28. Lay out. Ganda, there we go. Second one. 7 minutes. Boleh, mereka boleh kalau dia lagi 4 point lead. Number 4. Out. Number 34. Marcador. 3-point shot. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Stop. Begitu. Wala. Lumabay na ito. Pwede ba ba ganyan? Kumahabol na po ang team Porcelet. Back to the ball game. Bababa kaya ang kalamangan. Tingnan natin sa third quarter. Number 26. Ang ganda! Baba number 26. Number 26. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 4. 3-point shot again. Number 14. Wala. Number 26. 40. Third personal foul. First team foul. First offense by number 29.
Salay, salang!
Second offense. Five seconds. Number 29, second personal foul. Penalty. Sudah masih menetas. Substitution. Number 34. Out. English. 3-on-1. Tidak ya, bola. Michael. Subdivision. Number 20. And then we're gonna score. And we need the time. 11 seconds to do it. Defensively, dribble shot. Out. Number 24 again. Save ball. 17 seconds. Third na boss. Number 4. Three-point shot. Napakais po ng kalaban. Jojo Astimosa ito sa ilang kalaban. Number 24. Spin. Foul by number 13. Number 13, third personal foul. Second attempt. Foul on number 44. Second personal foul, 14 foul. Number 11. Out. Number 74. Foul on number 11. Save book. Number 4. And 4. Kabul. Using the last basket. Very good si Kabul. Seconds. Number 4. Ang ganda naman! Brazil! Basket! Di pwede na sa kanila muna. Take. Power number. Injury time out. Substitution. Yan ang tinatawag na last shot. Last shot. Number 13, wanting for graduate na po tayo. Number 13. First step by number 25, 8 for Ismael. Second step, drop na 15 po tayo. Basket agad, by number 25. Number 1. Napakagang Kabul, ay Kabul! Ay! Pagawa kay Kabul! Ayan na naman. Number 4, Kabul. Drives. And play. Ang lakas ng upper body. Bangklase na lakas na dito. Number 25, third personal foul, penalty. Dire-diretso po. Sinagay kay number 4. Kaya na lang po, nagkatrabaho na naman po siya. Kabul, Drapas. Number 28. Basket. Steve Nash. 5 seconds. Number 28, Drapas. Number Touching pa number 25. Warning for Broadway number 25 from team personnel. Big shot out. Number 24. Ball number 29. First personal foul. Third personal foul. First team foul. Number 4 again. Levanted layup out. Number 24. Boys, berapa? Ayo talaga! Napapaktigan na sila! Birthday Number 14. Start on the big ones. Last 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Sable. Okay, binago ko yung tawag na referee. Binago ko yung tawag. Number 4. Ayaw talaga! Ayaw talaga! Second play, number 24. Ball by number 29. Warning for Broadway, number 29. Number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh! Step back! Masyado ng alcohol yung laro mo, boss. Ay, God, napakaling mo. Number 25. Ayaw. Kaya na naman po. Magtatrabaho na naman po siya. Out. Number 40. Number 34. Pass. Third straight points by number 24. Nakaka-6 points na siya. Easy na yun. Parang all-star tayo. Nagbibigay ng salitan na. Ayaw talaga. Wating na, boss. Wating. May teknikan. Wali, kanina yung announce na natin. Number 1, the number 7. Good. Mukhang natalang score. Number 4, found the ball, that's my number 1. The number 23, the veterans. 10 seconds, number 23, still by number 24. 5 minutes. Number 29, congratulations, graduate. Number 30, number 7, number 4, 10 seconds. Oh, bypass. Number 24, right, basket. Number 11. Number 4.
Hey, down.
Foul number 7. Robert Jaworski. First person number 7.
Oh, we hold on.
Number 11, number out. Maybe it's 45 seconds. Number 4. Number 23. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. By number 23, Michael Jordan. Number 14. Foul by number 0. At chancing foul by number 0 from Team San Diego. Pwede na lang po ang malamangan ng Team San Diego. Maraming ka lang. May 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Marami kang pinagong mangyayari dyan. Second attempt, basket. Last attempt for the 15-foot line, jersey number 40. Basket again. 2 points. Number 4. To birthday boy. Adu. Basket. Veterans sa patahan. Number 24. Number 7. Ganda ng pasa. Ayaw talaga! Ano ba yan? Number 4. Big boy shot. Out. Nawawa ulit. Kinaga. Bete na sa bete. Sala. Good shot. Number 23, the veterans. Setting a play. Number 4. Ang ganda naman sa birthday boy! Basket!
Birthday boy.
Major! Number 1. Last 2 minutes. Number 13, nagsalite. Out of bounds. Number 34, malayo pa yan. 1 minute, malayo pa natin. Ay, bumababa na ito. Wala natin, mga kaibigan. Veterans. Oh, yun. Big pass. Masimling ka naman. Last 1 minute and 27 seconds. Pakiready na po yung mga logo natin at saka yung mga mag-ready natin. Mag-ready na kayo. Five seconds. Basket for 3. Another for 3. Out. Isa pa. 56 seconds. Take time. Ayaw talaga. 10 seconds. 41 seconds. Ay, sama. Yun lang, nabatas. Sayang. Tama pagkakataon.
Congrats! 79-65. Final quarter.
Congratulations, Team Sarangillo. Team personnel, congratulations din sa inyo. Kailangan di mananalo, di pwedeng parehas panalo.